If you are holding Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, this is going to be the biggest week for cryptos this entire year. It's literally make or break. And right now, Bitcoin and cryptos are attempting to break out. There's been all this FUD, fear, and uncertainty out there, but cryptos are starting to break out. They're continuing to push higher despite all the fear and FUD and bad news. Something very big is taking place. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about it. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end. You're not gonna wanna miss what I have in store for you today. This is going to be the biggest week for cryptos. We have the Fed, they're gonna announce a rate cut. They're gonna talk about if they're gonna hold rates steady, what their plan is economically with the Fed. There's a lot of stuff going on this week. Bitcoin is now breaking out. It is breaking out of the range as long as we continue to push. But look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green days in a row for Bitcoin. That is huge. That is huge. This looks like vertical accumulation. And the crazy part is all of this FUD, fear, doubt, and uncertainty, we're still closing these candles green and we're still pushing up higher. They're not allowing Bitcoin to dump or crash much at all. That is a very bullish signal. So everything is looking very, very bullish. As long as Bitcoin continues to hold above 71,500, I think that this breakout is on. The next level we want to see Bitcoin break and hold above is the range high. This is the highest point that Bitcoin has reached, 74,000. We flip 74,000, we start holding above this, Bitcoin is going to quickly come to $80,000. And it's going to happen quick. And the crazy part is, if you look at Bitcoin here, Bitcoin has this key level. This is the low in November. If we reclaim this low here, Bitcoin is going to come quickly, I think, to 97. It's going to come and tap this level. So this is the level that I am aiming at for this bounce, for this move, whatever it is, a dead cat bounce. Some people are calling for new lows. That could happen. But if we start to break and hold above this, then Bitcoin is probably going to come up, test 108, 110, potentially even new all-time highs. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, but this is something that could take place, especially after Bitcoin has been down. You take a look at the monthly candles. Bitcoin has gone down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a row. The last time that happened, 2018, I believe, we pumped, it was 6 red months in a row. We pumped 5 green months in a row after pumping 300%. So I think we could see something crazy like that. And notice this is so bullish. Bitcoin was not able to close the monthly or weekly time frame under that previous all-time high in April of 2021. And we've held it as support. So you can see Bitcoin is finding support on these macro levels, And the next macro level, the next liquidity to the upside is going to be 98,000. So I think 98,000, if you zoom out here and look on these larger time frames, 98,000 is just a small, relatively small move for Bitcoin. And from our current level, that's about a 36% move. And there's all of this bullish stuff taking place. The war is going to be ending. That's going to pump the markets. You have a new Fed chair coming. That's going to pump the markets. You have the Clarity Act. You have more rate cuts coming. You have midterms. They're going to be turning on the money printer, guys. This is extremely bullish. So get ready, guys. This market looks incredible. It looks extremely bullish. It looks very, very good. And if you take a look at my indicator here, we have flipped it and we've closed above it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles above the green indicator. The last time that this happened was 1 year ago. We started closing above it, 5 green candles. Then we started God candling. Bitcoin ended up pumping 10% in just 2 days, and we continue to push up higher. And notice Bitcoin was not able to break down. It just kept pushing up higher and higher and higher. I think we are going to be seeing something similar. And Bitcoin even pumped to new all-time highs from that bottom. I think we are setting up for something very similar, guys, very similar. Let me know your thoughts about the market in the comments below. If you guys are gonna be trading cryptos, make sure you trade over on Blofin. We are up right now $17,000. You guys can copy my trades in my community, but Blofin, they're giving away a $1,000 deposit bonus if you sign up with my link. On top of it, you're gonna have the cheapest fees on the platform. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.